Hello friends, myself Aruna Johri is in front of you with a new topic. That topic is why action. What is action? Means in the way of success, whenever you are going to try for your success, you want to achieve the success, action is very much important. Without action, you cannot do anything. It means if I am speaking, I am sitting in front of you, it means I have taken one step. If I want to lift my hand, that means I am doing some action. Action is the fundamental key to all success, any type of success. It is said by Pablo Picasso. Action means making real efforts. Real efforts means you are doing the efforts in the positive manner. Before starting my topic in detail, I would like to share one story. It is about one monkey king. In the forest once it was decided that now no more hereditary ruler will be there. That after the lion is always the king of the forest, and after him that his son, then his son, then his son, that will not be there. Now we will have the democracy, and through the election the king will be chosen. So many animals have filled their nomination form, and the elections were held. In that, the monkey was declared as the winner, and monkey was chosen as the king of the forest. He was the now new king. Since monkey was very much corrupt, very much clever, so he was trying to dominate all the animals in the forest. He was teasing them also. He was destroying also the different things, the trees, and enjoying the life. One day, one goat came to him. She was crying that, Maharaj, king, oh my lord, the earlier king, the lion, has captured my lamb, and it was only 3 days old, and he is about to eat. Please save him. So monkey has told that, okay, since I am the king, I will surely save your kid. Where is he? So goat guided him to the king's den, and there king was about to eat the small lamb. He was just putting him into the mouth. Just as the monkey reached there, he shouted, "Hey, what are you doing? Leave that lamb." With authority he shouted. But the lion laughed. How can you stop me? It is the duty of the king to let everyone enjoy their food. And since it is my food, I live on the flesh of animals. I hunt them and then eat. So you cannot stop me. Now monkey was helpless, but still he was the king. So he started jumping from one branch to another, one branch to another, one tree to another tree. In this manner, a long time has passed, and goat was looking. Ultimately, goat has said that, king, oh my lord, what are you doing? Why are you not trying to save my lamb? Now it is about in his mouth. Lion is about to eat it. And ultimately lion has eaten that lamb, and monkey was not able to do that. And when goat has told him that you have not saved my kid, my lamb, my dear child, now which type of king you are? And monkey replied, I have done lot of actions. You have seen, I was not sitting idly. I was doing the action, but I was not able to save. It happens many times. So, if now you have to think that his action was, his efforts were meaningful. If they were meaningful, it means we have to do the actions which are result oriented, which may bring some result, which are meaningful. And when we are trying to achieve our success, and the way to success, in the way to achieve our goal, the actions must be massive, continuous actions. It is not like that one day we have done some action and other day I am sitting making the excuses and or delaying that tomorrow I will do, the day after tomorrow I will do. Once if you are stopping the work, it means that is continuously it becomes your habit. The actions must be in the positive manner. They must be positive. Just like you are going to climb over the steps, the first floor you are willing to go. So first step you climb and there you started jumping, not climbing up. Will you be able to reach there? No, just like monkey was not able to save the lamb. In the same manner you are not going to reach up the floor. It means the positive action means one after the other, then other, then other, then you will be able to get your destination. Then effective, that must be effective, that which may bring the some result, some effect, something you have gained in that. That must be result oriented. Means one action you have done. Suppose you are not successful in that, then again you have tried, then again you have tried. You will surely get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times you have done, and ultimately you will be successful in that, because you are having the chance to do the improvement in your earlier action. Whatever mistake you have done in the first action, surely you will try to improve, and in that the mentors are always there ready to help, and or the past mistakes are helping us. Whatever mistake, you surely recognize that what mistake you have done, so in the next you will improve that. In the same manner, by improving one by the other, you will surely get the success in your goal. You will be able to achieve that, and so you are getting the result. One more thing is there. Whenever you are doing any action, after that you have not got the success, don't be disappointed. Still motivate yourself. Okay, this time I was not successful, but next time I will remove this mistake and I will get the success. And you have listened about the Thomas Alva Edison. Many times I tell, in earlier videos also I have discussed that 1,000 times he was failed, but ultimately he was able to get success in the invention of the bulb. Many more you can see that how they have got the success in their life. Presently also your mentor is always ready to motivate you. You have to do the action without any excuse. Today it was raining, that is why I was not able to do. Today my mother was sick, or today I was sick, and today it was very hot, so I was not able to do. No excuses. I will be successful. I may be successful like others if I may be having the car. Since I am not having the car, so I am not getting success. I am not having so much resources. That is why I am not success. So don't make any excuses. And without excuse, when you will do the work, surely you will get your goal. Then love your work. Whatever the work you are going to do, whatever the work you are doing, love that. Why you will love? Because it is your ultimate dream. It is your goal which you want to get. And when step by step you are achieving that, it means you are loving that. Anything which you are loving, only that thing you are doing. For that you are ready to die also. You are ready to take any step. So, love your work. Then focus on your work. Whatever the work you have decided, don't distract from here and there from that. Focus on that. This is my goal and I have to achieve. For that you can do one more thing. Whatever goal you have decided, write it, pen down on one paper and paste it in different places in your house, so that wherever you are going, your goal is in front of you, and that will remind your mind always that you are stick up with that goal, and you will do at any cost, whatever time it takes, whatever efforts are taking, whatever troubles are there, whatever the facings are there, you are ready to that. Then ultimately you will get the pleasure of achievement. Pleasure of achievement is not only at the time when you are getting your ultimate goal. Pleasure of achievement comes at each step. Suppose you have done one action, you did not get success, then you tried it again, then again. When you got the success in that first action, then also you will feel the pleasure of achievement, that I have got success in this action, I have done this, and praise yourself. Well done, keep it up, like that. And that will motivate you to take the next step. And ultimately, when stepwise, when you will reach to your final goal, you will achieve your dream, then the pleasure which will go, and encourage yourself every time. That encouragement gives you motivation, and you will be able to get success in achieving your goal. So actions are very much important. Again, I am telling you that Pablo Picasso has said that action is the fundamental key to all success. Before ending my video, I would like to share my experience that until I have not come through this Pablo Picasso writing, I have not read that book, I was also doing the same thing. I was reading many books, I was taking the trainings, I was coming in the contact with the expert people, and they were telling that this if you do this thing, you will surely get successful, and you call to the people and you do this thing. But I was only verbally I was doing all these things. I have read the book of Rhonda Byrne, The Secret. In that also the law of attraction has been so told, and I was trying only the law of attraction. When I will think, I will imagine, I will visualize, I will get everything. But when I have read this, action is the fundamental key to all success, I got my mistake. That click in my mind that I am making this mistake, such a big blunder, and I have started taking action. Per day action I pen down in the morning, and daily action I judge in the night, that if I had done all the actions or anyone is remaining, and until I am not completing that action, I don't sleep, and the success is mine. I am successful now. Daily in the daytime, many times I say and praise myself that well done, keep it up, you are successful, I am successful, I am successful, because I am in motion. Because if we are not in motion, we are just like a dead person. The dead bodies are never in motion. If you are in action, then only you are alive. It is the symbol of the life. It is the live people, those who are doing the work. The dead people are never getting up and not doing anything. So for the success, action is the fundamental key, as Pablo Picasso. Thank you and have a nice day. We'll meet again with a new video. If you like this video, it is my request to subscribe it.